took a walk around the world to ease my troubled mind. I left my body lying somewhere in the sands of time, but I watched the world so.
More mayhem here again. I bought me a 670 for my birthday. It's electric start. We're gonna crank it with my booster. Fire it up. Key on, pull the choke. Yep, I'm gonna put it on my golf cart, get it going. It's got an oil cooler, dual pressured, just a fuel line or whatever. Air cleaner's under here. Throttle, which I'm taking off. This whole panel's coming off of it. Probably gonna keep the key switch though. It's got oil in it. It's got a little oil sensor on it. Under there, can't see it, but it's this wire here. It goes up this little box right here. It runs off the ground. When it gets low of oil, it shuts the engine off, which I'm gonna make it where it turns the light on the dash. So yeah, here's this thingy. It's got a 20 horse twin in it. I ain't got it finished wiring or anything. I put a belt on it. I pull the transmission, fix the oil leak on it, do some wiring on the lights, fix that. And I gotta fix the steering because it's, here I'll show you. It's like almost on the ground. Yeah, it's like really low, so I gotta do something with it. I finished tightening the battery mounts up. Put keyways in the tires. Yeah. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.